Imagine waking up to a world painted in white, a vast expanse of ice and snow stretching to an endless horizon. This isn't a dream, it's just another morning in Greenland. Welcome to a day in the life in one of the most remote and breathtaking places on Earth. Life here is woven into the very fabric of nature. In the small, colorful towns that dot the coastline, the day starts early. For many, this means heading out onto the frigid waters for fishing or hunting, traditions passed down through countless generations. This isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life, a vital source of sustenance. The catch of the day, whether it's succulent Arctic char, plump salmon, or flaky cod, often becomes the centerpiece of the evening meal. It's a connection to the environment you can taste. The seasons in Greenland are dramatic and define the rhythm of life. During the long, dark winters, the sun becomes a fleeting visitor, barely peeking over the horizon, but this darkness brings its own magic. The night sky comes alive with the Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet of shimmering green and violet curtains dancing above. It's a spectacle so profound it feels otherworldly, a nightly reminder of nature's awe-inspiring power. Residents don't just see the northern lights, they live under them. Then comes summer, and with it, the phenomenon of the midnight sun. For weeks on end, the sun refuses to set, bathing the landscape in a soft, ethereal glow 24 hours a day. This perpetual daylight transforms life. It's a time for hiking across mossy tundra, kayaking through iceberg-filled fjords, and enjoying bonfires with friends and family late into the night. The endless days are a gift, an opportunity to soak in every possible moment of the Arctic summer. Daily life is a fascinating blend of the ancient and the modern. Children head to school, learning both Danish and Greenlandic, their lessons often incorporating the unique environment around them. Community is everything. Neighbors gather for kathmik, a traditional Greenlandic social gathering with coffee and an abundance of cakes, celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, or simply the joy of being together. Getting around isn't as simple as hopping in a car. Here, snowmobiles are the winter workhorses, zipping across frozen landscapes, while boats are the essential link between coastal settlements during the warmer months. And of course, there's the iconic dog sledding. More than just a tourist attraction, it remains a practical and revered mode of transport, a testament to the incredible bond between humans and their canine companions. Despite the challenges of a harsh climate, the spirit of the Greenlandic people is one of incredible resilience and warmth. You can see it in their art, in the intricate crafts made from local materials like reindeer antler and sealskin, each piece telling a story. Modern technology like the internet and smartphones has connected Greenland to the rest of the world, yet the deep connection to nature and tradition remains unshaken. Living here means understanding the power and fragility of the environment. It's about reading the ice, knowing the weather, and respecting the animals that share this land. A single day in Greenland is more than just 24 hours. It's a profound lesson in adaptation, community, and finding harmony in a world of extremes. It's about witnessing a miracle of ice and light with every sunrise and every sunset. If you were captivated by this glimpse into life in Greenland, please hit that like button, share it with someone who'd love to see this, and subscribe to our channel. We have so many more incredible lives to explore around the world, and we'd love for you to join us on the journey. Thanks for watching.